Om, the cosmic sound of creation. Veda in 60 seconds. Number 3. Om is not a word, it's the original vibration. The sound from which the universe was born. A equals waking, U equals dreaming, M equals deep sleep. The silence equals pure consciousness. Chant Om, become Om. Episode 3. Om, the cosmic vibration. Series. Veda in 60 seconds. Before there was language, before there was light, there was Om. Not a word, but a vibration. The pulse of the universe. Om is not just chanted, it is creation. A equals waking, U equals dreaming, M equals deep sleep, and the silence after? That's pure consciousness. When you chant Om, you don't just speak it, you become it. Subscribe for 60-second Vedic truths. Try chanting Om with full awareness. Feel the sound, become the sound. Om. Comment, Om Shanti, if you felt something deep.